ever wondered how this incredible planet we call Earth came to be? Well, buckle up, because it's a journey that spans billions of years and is nothing short of a cosmic miracle. It all started around 4.6 billion years ago. Our solar system was just a massive swirling cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. Picture it, a chaotic dance of particles colliding and sticking together, driven by the force of gravity. This process is known as accretion. And over time, these clumps grew larger and larger, eventually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Among these planetesimals was the early Earth, a molten, fiery ball of rock and metal. Our planet was in a state of constant turmoil, bombarded by asteroids and comets. It was during this period, known as the Hadean Eon, that Earth's core and crust were formed. But the story doesn't end there. As Earth cooled, its surface solidified and volcanic activity spewed gases into the atmosphere. This primordial soup of elements and compounds eventually gave rise to Earth's first oceans. Imagine that, a world covered in water, teeming with the potential for life. Then came a game changer, a Mars-sized body collided with Earth. This cataclysmic event didn't destroy our planet, but rather it led to the creation of our moon. The debris from this impact coalesced, forming the lunar body that we see in the night sky today. As Earth continued to evolve, the stage was set for the emergence of life. Simple molecules combined to form more complex ones, eventually leading to the first microorganism. These tiny life forms would pave the way for the rich biodiversity we see today. Think about it. Every plant, animal, and human being owes their existence to this ancient cosmic dance. From a cloud of gas and dust to a vibrant, life-sustaining planet, Earth's origin story is a testament to the wonders of the universe. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're standing on a planet that's been on an incredible journey, and the story is far from over. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating exploration of Earth's beginnings. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder.